This is the Snow Teeth Whitening Wired Kit. Each kit comes with our activating LED light mouthpiece, a professional 3D teeth shade guide, our guide to whiter teeth, and when you pull up the ribbon, you'll find 3 standard strength whitening wands and 1 gold maximum strength serum. The max strength serum has twice the strength as the standard serum. Our activating LED light mouthpiece comes with 4 adapters: USB, Apple Lightning cable, Type-C cable, and micro USB cable. We recommend using the kit at night before going to bed to achieve the best results. Hold the 3D teeth shade guide to match the shade of your teeth before your first treatment. Make sure to take a picture in order to be able to track your progress. Next, brush your teeth before applying the serum. We also recommend applying a lip balm, like our rejuvenating lip treatment with resveratrol, in order to prevent dryness while whitening your teeth. Take off the cap from the wand and begin twisting the wand. It might take a few twists or clicks to come up the first time, which is normal. Once the serum appears at the tip, apply the serum as if you were painting your teeth. Make sure that all your teeth, top and bottom, are covered with an even layer of the serum. Remember to remove the clear protective case from your mouthpiece before putting the Snow LED mouthpiece into your mouth. The next step is to put the LED mouthpiece, not UV. LED's harmless, UV is not. Connect the LED mouthpiece into your phone. Set a timer for 21 minutes. If you start to drool during your whitening session, that's completely normal. Some people might experience a little more saliva in their mouth. You can simply take a quick break, then start again. Once the 21 minutes are over, remove the mouthpiece and rinse your mouth with water in order to get rid of extra saliva or serum. Then, rinse your mouthpiece with warm water and dry it with a towel. Store the mouthpiece back into the case and into the snow box. Make sure to take an after picture with a professional 3D teeth shade guide in order to track your progress. We recommend using our whitening kit every day for 21 days, 21 minutes per day, to see a big difference in whiter teeth. However, if you cannot do 21 minutes, any time between 10 to 30.
Blame it on your morning coffee, or then again it could be that glass of red at the end of the day. No matter what the culprit is, your teeth are dull and yellow instead of bright and white. Put the sparkle back in your pearly whites with MySmile, the teeth whitening kit that's taking the world by storm. Why? Because it works. This unique, non-sensitive teeth whitening formula gives you visible results in your first use. MySmile is vegan-friendly and 100% cruelty-free. Absolutely no harmful ingredients, so you can safely remove stains without harming the enamel. Your teeth become 8 shades whiter minus the pain and sensitivity. It only takes as little as 4 steps and in just 10 minutes. Other whitening kits in the market will waste you 30 minutes to 2 hours. You get 9 teeth whitening treatments that allows you to whiten your teeth at your own convenience. Each MySmile teeth whitening kit comes with 1 LED light with batteries included, 3 syringes, 1 silicone mouthpiece, a teeth shade guide, and clear instructions on how to use the kit correctly. Step 1. Remove the plastic tab between the batteries. Step 2. Attach the mouth tray to the LED light and apply whitening gel on the top and bottom of the mouthpiece. Step 3. Insert to your mouth. The LED light automatically turns off after 10 minutes and a beep lets you know that you are done. Step 4. Rinse your mouth and the mouth tray. Say goodbye to stains and hello to a sparkling smile with MySmile.